Dipped in chocolate vlogs are fire. Dipped in chocolate vlogs eat. Dipped in chocolate vlogs are the best. Period.
Follow Dipped in Chocolate on her socials.
Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video with your girl Dipped in Chocolate. So from the title down below, I'll be going to the beach and you guys will be preparing with me to go to the beach. I'm thinking about a more subtle look. I have this swimwear that I haven't worn, so you know that's a plus for me. I don't know how I'm gonna do it for today because the sun is really hot here. So the beach that I looked up, it's an open beach, but they don't provide covering umbrellas and those stuff. So I'm going to have to get them things for myself, but that's kind of impossible because I'm not from here, and getting an umbrella is not like something that I want to do, like a beach umbrella, because I don't even have my own vehicle right now. But that's okay, I'll figure it out and I'll do the right thing. I'm just gonna get myself ready. I'm thinking about posting on Instagram for today, so I maybe be doing a little face. I don't know what I'm gonna do to my hair. I think this up in one looks good, so I might try doing a updo, but let's just see what happens. I'm gonna do my little face, put on my sunscreen and get ready. I hope today turns out to be what I expected, and I'm just gonna be reading my book. Let me show you. I have this new book that I got from a friend called Raft, so I'm gonna fully start reading it because I started the first chapter, so I'm going to continue because it seems interesting. So I'm going to be reading that, plus I brought my boombox and everything, so I'm going to show you guys what is in my bag to go to the beach. So let's go. So I'm gonna bring water. I have this and this to wear with my bath suit to go, plus I have the boombox there, the iPod charging over there. I have my microphone. This is my little sunny bag, my tripod, my fly, this again my sunny bag, and my glasses. So yep. So nothing too much for the face. I just did my eyeliner, brushed up my eyebrows, and put on some lip gloss and did my edges. So it's nothing too much, but yeah, this is me on my way to the beach. I have on my Jamaica flag over my head like a turban thingy, you know. So I'm looking cute. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
That's the cost until Monday until he wakes up and he's like, I need my glasses back.
So guys, the sea is really rough right now, and I'm just here chilling. But not like mega show the sea rough. So me I wait on me never gonna say me I wait on it to calm down. But I just chill a little bit, you know. It's all vibes, it's all vibes. Might read a book. Let's go appreciate the time and the view. I'm gonna show you what I've got in front of me. So they are parasailing. That looks neat. I maybe enough money for the. I would do it, you know. I think it's maybe over $100 to do. But mega ask them. Maybe ask them. So it looks cool. Like put yourself up there. So I said, maybe they are. Look on the sea. Why the ocean are going like that? At least the place don't, you know, hot uh, and tormented. It's actually hot, but the breeze is breezing, the wind is winding. So I like that. So this vlog is basically a chill vlog showing you what I'm doing. I'm not gonna be doing too much for today. It's just like a chill day to relax and get myself back. But look, you know, at two of them. So you have that one right there, it's colored, and then you have the yellow one. I need to go ask them how much it is because that would be so cool. My background is pretty. It's real nice. So I'm kind of signing out right now until I rest little and read a little bit of my book. So signing out for now.
Normal. Take care of the water.
I'm not no cash at all. And everywhere you go, them take cards. And like, you know, yeah, most of the place them take card, you know. But cash, you know, say cash, everybody take cash. And nobody not gonna say no to cash, you understand? So I want some cash, even one little thing in my pocket. So definitely I go get some cash and put it in my pocket. And banana aisle. So may I get some aisle. So crazy. So basically I'm coming here. I kind of look a bit buy more than aisle. I'm sure I'm gonna buy. You know, some don't know my limited door, but everything went in there essential and a foolishness. So essentials. I'm sure no. So guys, let me tell you about the beach. So the beach was nice. The water did rough like it literally rough. So guys, made the record something and then when I look, something that on slow mo. I couldn't believe. But basically I was telling you that at the roughest I never see a water body like the sea roughest never encountered like the sea like that. So but everything else is nice. Somebody get a umbrella. So I never out in the sun. I bring my sunscreen. I read the book for a little while. You know, it was a nice little vibe. I never did really eat nothing on the beach because I never seen nothing I sell. You know, but otherwise it was a nice little vibe. I would definitely go back. Go back and go earlier and explore, like walk around the beach, see what I go on, like go to the nearby stores or nearby, you know, facilities or anywhere nearby, just go check it out. But you know, we were there for like 2 hours tops, and so we never really did nothing much more than enjoy the ocean and the view. But yeah, it was a nice day. I did not get any sunburn. The sun was hot, yes, but because of the shade and me being in the water and you know everything was good. I was hydrated, everything, so it wasn't really a bad day in terms of the heat, but it was hot. But you know, it was still a vibe. Look at me. Oh my god, me I talk, and there's something I record in a slow mo. I'm so sorry, guys. So yes, guys, it's a nice evening. Sun basically gone down, and everybody's just trying to get their groceries, and they're just chilling, right? So today is Memorial Day. I don't know what it is or what it represents, but it's like a lot of American flags all over the place. So I don't know what it is. I might go check it out because they must say I'll be a discount they might give. So I might go get something or not.